Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new video. So today we're gonna make this pretty shawl, simple and easy to do, with 3 different colors. So before I start the tutorial on how to make it, I'm gonna give you some information. First, the written pattern will be in the description box, and I have used 5 skein of yarn for this project. 2 of the dark blue, 2 of the light blue, the last one, and the middle one just one yarn ball. For all details, check the written patterns in my blog or in my Etsy shop if you'd like to download it. It's a repetitive row, a repetitive 2 rows actually, which you're gonna make till the end of the shawl. It is worked sideways and it looks pretty at the end. So without further ado, we'll get started. So I'm using an acrylic yarn, 100% acrylic. This is a Tunisian brand, and I'll put the link in the description box for a similar yarn, which is medium worsted yarn. So, and 6mm crochet hook. I'm gonna make a magic loop, chain 2, 2 single crochet in the first chain from the hook. So 1 and 2, chain 1 and turn, 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 2 single crochet in the last stitch, chain 1 and turn, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, one single crochet in the next 2 stitches, chain 1 and turn again, 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in every stitch, and 2 single crochet in the last stitch. You see how it's going. Chain 1 again, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in every stitch till the end. Chain 1, 1 single crochet in the first stitch and in every stitch. The end one will be 2 single crochet again. So basically, to explain this, on one side it's gonna be straight, in the other side it's gonna be all the way inclined. So when you start a row with a single crochet, at the end is always 2 single crochet, and the next row will start 2 single crochet and going 1 single crochet. So basically, one row the increase is at the end, and one row the increase is in the beginning. So for that, check the pattern if you get confused, the written pattern, so it helps you together with the video. We'll do this till the end of the work. I'll show you how to change color or add another color for this project as well. So if you're changing the color at the end of the work, it's very easy. You just hold the new color and then hold it together with the old yarn and pull through the loop. Make sure it is tight and work the chain 1, and then continue working your single crochet like so. Now if you're changing color in the middle of the work, means over here, it is almost the same, but I'm gonna show you how to do it so it is easy. There are many ways on how to change color, but this is the way I find it easiest. So for example, the thread finishes here, you will hold it here so it doesn't get loose. Then you hold them on top of the next stitch like this, and then you work the single crochet. So you insert the hook into the stitch, you pull through the new color, and then you work your stitch like so, and then you continue working with a new color. This is how it is. So I hope you'll try this project. It's very easy to make and very fast to build, and it looks pretty at the end. So until next time, take care, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.